Hi 2B2T players, this video will cover everything you need to know about lavacasts and how to actually build them. To start, lavacasts are built by placing water and lava over each other repeatedly to form cobblestone layers. This continues until there are enough layers. Today, you'll see how to build both, step by step. Before I start, I need to grab myself a kit from my e-chest so I can build at spawn without worrying about dying. This kit is one of many from the best 2B2T kit shop, 2b2t.shop. This shop has over 180 items such as kits, webs, XP, totems, e-chests, and more. Our prices are cheap and we have the fastest deliveries. Order now at 2b2t.shop. First, I'll demonstrate building the staircase lavacast. This type of lavacast takes little time and is easy to build. The materials needed will be about 3 stacks of a non-burning block, 1 water bucket, and 1 lava bucket. Okay, so the first step is to start building a staircase up with your blocks until you reach your desired lavacast height. Once you've built your staircase outline to your liking, build up one and break the block below. And then place your lava here. Next, wait for a few minutes or until you are sure the lava has reached the bottom. After that, place your water here and pick it up after about 10 seconds. There you go, this staircase lavacast is as easy as that. Next, I'll show you how to make the cobblestone monster. These take longer but are way more dense and massive. The materials needed are going to be about 3 stacks of a non-burning block, a water bucket, and a lava bucket. To start, build up 3 blocks and break the middle. After that, place lava in the middle like so. After the lava has spread to the maximum distance, put the lava back in the bucket and place water as soon as you see the sides of the cobblestone block. Make sure to pick the water back up after a few seconds. After this, build up 2 more blocks and break the bottom one. Place lava in the middle like so. After the lava has spread to the maximum distance, put the lava back in the bucket and place water as soon as you see the sides of the cobblestone block. Then repeat these steps over and over again. After you do this many times, the cobblestone layers will start to expand, and before you know it, you'll have something like this. Hopefully you've learned more about how to build lavacasts on 2b2t. If you ever need any kits, materials, or any building blocks, then visit 2b2t.shop for 180 plus cheap items with fast deliveries. Stay safe out there, 2b2t players.